In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed a responsive video in a WordPress post. This method is quick, beginner friendly and works perfectly on desktop, tablet and mobile devices. To get started, open the platform where your video is hosted, such as YouTube or Vimeo. Once the video loads, go to the address bar at the top of your browser, select the full video link and copy it. This link is what WordPress will use to embed the video. Next, head to your WordPress dashboard and open the post or page where you want to add the video. Inside the WordPress editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. When the block options appear, type YouTube, Vimeo or video into the search bar and select the block that matches your video platform. After adding the block, click inside it and paste the video URL you copied earlier. WordPress will automatically recognize the link. Click the embed option and the video will instantly appear inside your post. The best part is that WordPress automatically makes the video responsive, so it adjusts smoothly to different screen sizes without any extra settings or code. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a responsive video in your WordPress post, making your content more engaging and visually appealing. Try previewing your post to see how it looks across devices, and you're good to go.